In recent years, natural remedies have been getting a lot of attention, and for good reason. People everywhere are looking for natural, easy ways to stay healthy and boost their well-being. One remedy that has been gaining popularity is a drink made from 3 simple ingredients you might already have in your kitchen: onion, ginger, and garlic. These ingredients aren't just for cooking, they're loaded with health benefits. When combined into a tea, they create a powerful drink that could help keep you healthy and strong. Now, before we dive in, if you are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Garlic, onion, and ginger each have amazing benefits on their own, but when we put them together, they work even better. Garlic is famous for its powerful health properties. It is full of a special compound called allicin, which has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects. This means it can help your immune system fight off infections, and it is even known to help lower blood pressure and support heart health. Onions are packed with vitamins C and B6, along with minerals that help keep you healthy. They also contain quercetin, a compound that has anti-inflammatory and antihistamine effects. This makes onions great for helping with respiratory health and even reducing allergy symptoms. Ginger is well known for helping with digestion and reducing nausea. It contains a compound called gingerol, which also has anti-inflammatory effects. Regularly consuming ginger may help with digestion, reduce muscle pain, and even help manage blood sugar levels. When you put these 3 together in a tea, they create a blend that is warm, comforting, and full of health benefits. Here are 7 powerful ways garlic, onion, and ginger tea can help you. 1. Boosting immunity. The combined antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of garlic, onion, and ginger make this tea excellent for strengthening your immune system. Garlic alone is known for its ability to fight off viruses and bacteria, while onions provide quercetin, which is also supportive of immune function. Ginger, with its warming effects, can create an extra line of defense against colds and infections. Regularly drinking this tea can help fortify your body's defenses, making you less prone to common colds, flu, and even seasonal allergies. The antioxidants present in these ingredients also combat oxidative stress, helping protect cells from damage. 2. Supporting heart health. Research shows that garlic, onion, and ginger can each have positive effects on cardiovascular health, and together they create a powerful combination. Garlic is known to help lower low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, that is the bad cholesterol, and can improve blood circulation, reducing strain on the heart. Onions add another layer of protection by helping to prevent blood clots, which is crucial for heart health. Ginger, known for improving circulation, can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. This trio helps keep arteries clear and promotes better blood flow, reducing the risk of heart disease over time. 3. Aiding digestion. If you sometimes feel bloated or gassy, this tea can be a soothing remedy. Ginger is known for aiding digestion and can relieve discomfort in your stomach, helping with nausea and bloating. Onions promote gut health due to their prebiotic content, which helps nourish healthy gut bacteria, essential for digestion and nutrient absorption. Garlic further supports gut health by promoting a balanced microbiome. Altogether, this tea can improve the efficiency of digestion, ease constipation, and promote a happier and healthier digestive system. 4. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues, including arthritis and heart disease. The anti-inflammatory properties of garlic, onion, and ginger may help reduce inflammation in the body and provide relief from these conditions. Garlic contains compounds that combat inflammation at the cellular level, while onions have quercetin, which acts as an anti-inflammatory agent. Ginger not only fights inflammation, but also helps with pain relief. If you struggle with inflammatory conditions like arthritis, this tea may provide relief and improve your overall mobility. 5. Managing blood sugar levels. If you are concerned about blood sugar, this tea might be helpful. Ginger has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. Garlic and onion also play roles in blood sugar regulation. Garlic can improve insulin secretion, and onions are known to help stabilize glucose levels. Together, these ingredients can be an excellent addition to a diet focused on blood sugar management, potentially reducing spikes and helping keep your energy levels stable. 6. Alleviating respiratory issues. Onion and garlic are excellent for respiratory health. The anti-inflammatory properties can reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, which can benefit those with asthma, bronchitis, or seasonal allergies. Garlic is known for helping to break up mucus, making it easier to clear the respiratory passages, while ginger soothes the throat and can reduce coughing. For anyone struggling with frequent colds, allergies, or respiratory issues, drinking this tea may help improve breathing and reduce symptoms. 7. Enhancing skin health. This tea isn't just beneficial internally, it can also promote healthy skin. The antioxidants in garlic and onion can help fight free radicals, potentially reducing the signs of aging and improving overall skin health. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties help clear up skin conditions such as acne by reducing redness and swelling, while onions provide essential vitamins that support skin elasticity. Ginger helps improve circulation, which gives your skin a healthy, natural glow. Over time, you might notice clearer, more youthful skin when you add this tea to your routine. Here is how to make this tea. You will need 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1 small onion, chopped, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, sliced, 2 cups of water, optional, honey or lemon for flavor. Start by boiling the water in a saucepan. 2. Add the minced garlic, chopped onion, and sliced ginger to the boiling water. 3. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, then strain it into a cup to remove the solids. 4. Add honey or lemon if you would like some extra flavor, and enjoy. Before you start drinking this tea daily, keep a few things in mind. If you are allergic to any of the ingredients, it is best to avoid it. Garlic can act as a blood thinner, so if you are on medication for blood thinning, talk to your doctor before adding this tea to your diet. And if you are pregnant, check with your healthcare provider about consuming ginger in larger quantities. Now, let us talk about why a natural remedy like this can be so valuable. In today's world, we are surrounded by processed foods and artificial ingredients, so it is easy to forget how powerful natural foods can be. Garlic, onion, and ginger have been used in traditional medicine for hundreds of years to help treat all kinds of health issues. By making this tea, you are bringing these ancient healing properties right into your daily routine. You may wonder how quickly you will notice a difference. Everyone's body is unique, but with regular use, many people start feeling improvements in their energy, digestion, and even their skin. Consistency is key, so try to make this tea a part of your daily life to experience its full effects. This tea is more than just a drink, it is a wellness ritual. Each time you prepare it, you are taking a few moments to focus on your health. In our fast-paced world, a small act of self-care like this can make a big difference, reminding you to slow down and nourish your body. It is a comforting routine that connects you with the healing properties of nature. Remember, good health isn't something that happens overnight. Small, consistent choices like drinking garlic, onion, and ginger tea add up to big improvements over time. Along with eating balanced meals, exercising, and getting enough sleep, this tea can be a powerful part of keeping you healthy. So why not give it a try? Experiment with the tea, see how it feels, and make it a part of your wellness routine. Whether you are looking to support your immune system, improve digestion, or just feel better overall, this tea can be a simple but effective step toward better health. Let this daily ritual remind you that true wellness comes from making small, mindful choices each day. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, do not forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and simple ways to improve your well-being. Here is to a healthier you, one sip at a time.